want to wrap up here. We have a lot of people to thank, and also some announcements at the end. So stick with us through this. But first, a little bit of an introduction.
Hi everyone. I'm Arundhati Bagrodia. I'm a service and interaction designer at Fjord in Chicago, and I was part of the attendee experience planning team. So we helped curate the attendee experience, and we really hope you enjoyed this conference.
And I am Jamin Hegeman. I'm the Vice President of Experience Strategy at Capital One, and I'm also on the SDN leadership team and the co-leader of this conference. This is the 14th conference that I have attended and planned. I hope you all really enjoyed it. Thank you to all of the speakers and the attendees, particularly the keynotes, though. George, you were amazing, and yes, there were tons of claps in the chat. Lots of people really inspired. Kat kicking it off, Leslie Ann closing yesterday, Monica this morning with the futurist talk, Kim always thoughtful, and then George closing up. It's just been amazing. Thank you.
And we would also like to thank our amazing MCs, Mark Fontaine, Marina Terturian, David Morgan, Stina Van Hoof. This experience would definitely not be possible without all of your amazing energy and just your voice.
Also like to thank our sponsors once again, Bridgeable, Charlie Tango, LiveWork, Smapley, Slalom, the Service Design Podcast, Service Design Show, and Why Service Design, those folks who were doing the MCs. Thank you.
And also our academic partners, the Art Academy of Latvia, Airfit University Columbia, Haaga-Heila Finland, Halmstad University from Sweden, the IIT Institute of Design in the US, Laurea University in Finland, the Service Design Lab from Denmark, Savannah College of Art and Design from the US, and Tsinghua University from China.
And also want to thank the production crew, the folks behind the scenes, the people you can't see. But as we know in service design, there's a front stage and a backstage. So shout out to all those people for dealing with the issues we had to deal with in this virtual environment. Nothing ever goes 100%, but thank you all for sticking with us throughout that. And now I would like to thank the team. So there was a big team this year that helped put this together, and I'm so humbled to have worked with all of these folks in different ways, but everyone contributed to this experience. So thank you, Augusta, Alex, Amber, Arundhati, Axia, Bertrand, Birgit, of course, Brianna, Jaren, Carolina, Gabriella, Ahmed, Jaden, Jamika.
Thank you, Jamin, Janice, Gerald, Corinne, Mary, Max, Monica, Natalie, Nina, of course, she was the MVP, Polly, Sonia, Timo, Tyler, Ula, Vidihika, and Dr. Vidya.
And I'd like to invite the rest of the team who's here up to the stage so you can have a peek at some of all these folks. So if you guys can come off video and get to see your faces. Not everyone, but those who can or are willing. And now that you're on here, just want to give an extra special shout out to Nina Menard. She joined the SDN this year. She's been our program manager since May, coming into this chaos, and really did a marvelous job of pulling this all together and delivering this experience. So thank you very much, Nina. It has been amazing. Thanks for staying up over there in Germany where you are, and others. Tomo, I know you're in Japan, which now is like 5 o'clock in the morning or something, which is ridiculous. But thank you. All of you have contributed so much to this.
But mostly we wanted to thank all of you who attended the conference for your energy, your tough questions, and for making this conference really one of the best. So thank you so much. We really appreciate it. And the recorded presentations and Q&As will be available here on Bella until midnight CET on Monday. And the final versions will be uploaded to YouTube in about 2 weeks' time.
And so you'll get to continue to enjoy this experience. If you've had a good time and want to continue even more, you can become an SDN member, go to the booth, check out information there, or go to the SDN website. And if you're really anxious to know about next year, it's currently planned to take place in Copenhagen, October 13th and 14th. So mark that on your calendars. We are planning to do that in person with some hybrid elements. We're going to have to figure that out, but that is the plan currently. Of course, the world doesn't always cooperate with the plan, so we'll see what happens. But October 13th and 14th next year. And one more final announcement.
So if you're still not done with this conference and you want to join the after party, you can find the link to that in the schedule. And we all really hope to see you there because we're sure that we're not ready for this to end just yet.
And that's it's a cool tool that we put together. I'm curious how it's going to work. You get to bump into each other and have a little video chat. So check that out. Hope to see you there. But that's it for us this year. It's been great. Thank you all once again. This has been amazing. It's such a great community. And good morning, good night, good afternoon, wherever you are.